Okay guys, hi. So I'm with my cat and I'm still in my pajamas. But guys, yeah, I know y'all could probably almost like kind of barely hear me because like y'all listen. Guys, there are birds in this in our like where we live. There's like a lot of birds on the trees. Hold on, let me flip my camera around. Guys, look, those are all birds. Like cut up. You'll see that? Those little like black things, those are birds. There's so many. And there's even like, there's some in our tree like over here. Don't mind that, that was my brother, sorry guys. But guys, there's like so many. Like those like little black thingies, those are all birds. Guys, this is crazy. Bye guys.